like my before I do anything to my eyebrows. I nicked myself right there, but the hair is starting to go back. This is the other side, so my eyebrows are not too bad. But I like, this is like my third time like doing my eyebrows, kind of filling them in, shaping them up a little bit better and stuff like that. So I'm about to show you the products that I use. I am a beginner, so some of the brushes and the products, or I don't have this product. You know, I'm a beginner, so I'm still learning. So this is just works for me right now. This is about to be the fourth time doing my eyebrows, and I never had any issues with how they look throughout the day. So I'm about to show you what I do. Hopefully this will help a beginner that wants to get into doing their eyebrows. So I hope this helps anyone out there, and we're about to get into it. So this is the brush that I use. This is one I mostly use to like really outline my eyebrows, and this is from Wet n Wild. This is another brush. I have to clean it over. This one don't say, but I did get this one from Dollar Tree. This is another one. This one I got from Don't Mind the Makeup. This is the one. This one is from Wet n Wild as well. This is from e.l.f. This is from e.l.f. the brow pencil that I'm going to be using. I got this in the deep brown. You get the brush on one side and you get the product on this side. You don't get much in there. This is about as much. This is about as much as you get. Maybe just a tad bit more, because this is like my fourth time using it, but you don't get too much. But it's only $2 though, so I guess you get what you pay for, kind of like thing. And what I'm gonna be doing to shape them up better, this is a concealer I got from, this is like an LA Girls concealer. I think I got this from Dollar Tree as well. And this is a new one that I just got today from the beauty supply store. So I'm gonna use this one and see how this works. They're like, this one lighter than this one. So we're about to see. I seen this girl on YouTube use mascara, like right through in the front. She applied it just on the hair part. So, and I did that last time when I did my eyebrows, and I liked how that looked. Don't worry about what I'm drinking. So, I'm about to get started. Brush them out a little bit. That's my son in the back. That's doing all that ridiculous yelling. Zamir! Zamir! Take it down a couple notches. Thank you. So I'm about to start. This is my mirror right here, because looking in my camera, I can't do it. This is like my second time doing this. I'm about to redo this because the first time it was a fail. I had to scratch everything. So I had to get my mirror, because looking in my phone, it was messing me up. See me looking down, that's why I got this mirror right here. Okay, so we're about to get started. This is what I do. I'm a beginner. I'm not licensed. This is what I do. Hopefully this will help somebody out there that's a newbie like me, you know. And I want to track and see how good I can get. So we're about to start. And don't worry about getting them perfect, because you're gonna go back with the concealer to make it better. And I don't put too much in the front, just a little bit. So, to this side, and get out the way. Do a little bit right here. That's how they're looking right now. I don't really like this brush because I feel like when I use it, I just wipe all the product away, and you already don't get that much product. So I just lightly do it just to work it in there a little bit. Use this one, this brush, like this, and apply it. And I don't even know if this is my shade, but you're about to see. This one and just blend everything in. And you just take it and wipe most of the product off. Brush it back up. Brush it back in place. There's always a few hairs that just don't want to act right. Try it with that one. So now I'm going to move on to this one. Take this one. Just how I do mine. Y'all might do y'all's different, but this is how I have been doing mine. See, I did that one good fast. Just get it on the hairs. Give me 2 minutes. Yep, 2 minutes. I'm just gonna press my finger in. look at them both to see if they're even up right. Are they lined up right here and right here the same? Right here the same. The overall look. So I just go back and forth, just examine them. I go back, see what needs to be fixed to me. Zamira, cut it out. Take some of that concealer away. Okay. Think that's the winner look right there. Y'all know how it is when y'all wear them wigs. Sometimes it be looking a hot mess underneath. I just take my finger, blend it in just a little bit more. Examine one more time. Make sure everything is lined up the way I like it. They pretty much identical to me. Final look that I'm gonna go with. I like them. They turned out really good to me. I like them a lot. I just fill them in a little bit just to give a little shape to them. I don't fill them in like a whole lot. And I'm still a beginner, so they're not asked for beginner. So I think they came out good. Again, this is my final look. This is how they look. Coming in, let me get close. I do need to like tweeze a few hairs out. Focus camera. But like, for the most part, you can't really see it unless you're looking super close. But yes, this is this side. This is this side. Months from now, I may not like them, but I'm still gonna upload this just to track my process, to show how good I get to myself and to like the people that are watching me. So this is my beginner look right here. I'm just gonna put some lip gloss on because I don't really do the whole makeup thing. So I got this from the beauty supply store. This is how I look when you open it. This is all I put on. I'm not into the foundation and all of that. I'm just basic right now. And this is my finished look. Something simple to me. This is how I do mine. This is what works for me. Hopefully this works for someone else. If it works for you, let me know. If you got a video that you would like me to watch, and just comment down below. Focus here, get it together. And thank you for watching. And please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions on what I should do different, anything I should try out, any products I should try out, just comment them down below. And thank you for watching. And one more look at the brows, because I'm about to take this off. I ain't gonna take it off like right now, but before I go to bed. So also this one right here, this one did not work for me. I didn't like how it looked. I think I just got the wrong shade. I honestly think I just got the wrong shade. So I really think that is on me. So I think I'm gonna go back and maybe get another shade. And this one, it don't even say what shade it is, but I think I need a lighter shade because this one works for me. This shade right here, this shade. So I think I need to go and get a shade close to this one.